Hi, this is Chef Colleen with jingherbs.com. Today I have a fun recipe. We are going to make lion's mane fudge. Lion's mane is a new medicinal mushroom that we are carrying at Jing Herbs. It's great for brain function, and if you're a student or somebody who needs to use your mind and your brain a lot, this is going to be a treat you're going to want to keep with you. It's really easy to make. We are going to start with half a cup of coconut butter. Now this is different from coconut oil. This is the meat mixed together with the oil, so it's nice and creamy, it's thick, and this is going to give a wonderful texture to our fudge as a base. Now, the ingredients I'm using today with the lion's mane, I'm using because this recipe is all about enhancing the nervous system, the nerves, the brain. This is just complementing the lion's mane herb that we're using. And using healthy fats are important because the brain is 60% fat. So when you eat fat, when you eat healthy fat, it actually nourishes the brain, it helps it work better, and this is going to enhance the effect of the herbs. I'm also going to use a half a cup of nut butter. You can use almond butter, sunflower butter if you can't eat nuts. Any kind of nut butter that you choose is going to go in there. It's going to add protein, again, healthy fats. It's going to keep you satiated. It's going to keep that blood sugar even, and it's also going to be delicious. Then I'm going to add a quarter cup of coconut oil. Now this is just the coconut oil by itself, and you want to kind of warm it up so it's a little bit soft and liquidy, so it's easy to blend. Now coconut oil, again, we all know the benefits of coconut oil as far as helps the cell membranes of every single cell in your body. The fats are metabolized easily, they turn to energy quickly, keeps you satiated, helps your hormones, all kinds of things. Now I'm going to sweeten it with maple syrup, just a couple tablespoons, just because I like the flavor of maple syrup for the fudge. But you can use coconut sugar, or you can use xylitol or erythritol, some kind of non-glycemic sweetener if you have a problem with any kind of blood sugar. I'm going to add a pinch of salt just to balance the flavor a little bit. And then if you want to add another flavor like cinnamon or vanilla, you can do that. I'm just going to throw in a little bit of vanilla powder. That's optional, just to make it how you like it. You could even add some cacao powder to it if you want. Now we come to the lion's mane. Now lion's mane is a really special herb. We do have a formula in the Jing Herbs line called Mastermind, which is great for cognitive function. But lion's mane is great for the whole nervous system. It helps actually rebuild those myelin sheaths which protect the nerves and the neurons that go through your entire body. It's very neuroprotective. It also helps your mind. It helps your focus and attention. And it's going to also help your just all overall cognitive well-being. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons because this is for the whole batch. And so you can actually eat a couple of pieces of fudge and get a serving of the lion's mane. Okay, so get that in there. And then all we do is blend it up. Okay, so I just blended it to make sure it's all blended well together and nice and creamy and is well combined. And then I'm going to take a spatula and take an 8x8 baking pan with some parchment paper, just so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And I'm just going to empty this into the pan, spread it out evenly. And then I'm going to put it into the fridge or the freezer to set. Now that coconut oil and the coconut butter is going to firm up a little bit when the temperature goes down. So that's going to make it easy to eat. So you just want to get all the goodness out of here. Get it into your pan. Spread it out evenly. It's the perfect amount for an 8x8 pan. You set that in the fridge, and after an hour or 2 when it sets, you can take it out and just lift it out of the parchment and cut it into squares like this, and you have a wonderful piece of fudge. You can, this is a great treat to enjoy, especially like if you're a student and you're studying and you're working, you just have this on your desk and you can munch on it, and it's going to help you study. It's going to help you retain information and recall information. It's going to be a great treat for you, anyone who needs to use their brain or anyone who wants support for their nervous system. It's delicious. So it's easy to make. I hope you try it at home. If you have any questions about this recipe or any product at Jing Herbs, you can email us at info@jingherbs.com. And you can see how your 3 treasures are doing at jingherbsanalysis.com. And until next time, be well.